This does not seem roller friendly. I just wanted to wheel it in. How to change the wheels on the Brompton. Now that I've made this an e-bike, it's become much heavier. So I really want it to be able to wheel it much more easily. So I'm converting the wheels to a much larger wheel. That's with a hex tool.
Yep, it's a 4mm hex wrench.
Okay.
And then you just take out the existing M6 hardware. Put 4 washers on, then the wheel, then the bolt.
Whoa.
Yeah.
4 washers. That's a lot of washers. Right?
That there. 4 washers, just like on the instructions. It's very easy.
And then, okay, then you just screwing it in. Simple, easy peasy. Voila!
Perfect.
Excellent. Awesome.
Oh yeah, don't forget your bag.
Yep. Bam!